Pennies from Heaven, Unveiling the Magic of Unexpected Blessings. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's as whimsical as it is profound. Pennies from heaven. This expression is not just about currency falling from the sky, but it carries a deeper meaning that enriches conversations. Stay tuned as we explore the essence and usage of this intriguing phrase. Pennies from heaven refers to unexpected blessings or good fortune that come into our lives, especially during difficult times. Imagine walking on a path, struggling with life's burdens, and suddenly finding a penny on the ground. That penny, albeit small, symbolizes hope, luck, and the idea that the universe has sent a little help your way. Similarly, the phrase embodies the notion that even in our darkest moments, small but significant positives can emerge, often when we least expect them. The phrase, pennies from heaven, is believed to have gained popularity from the American music and cinema in the early 20th century. Specifically, it was the title of a popular song in 1936, sung by Bing Crosby, which celebrated the idea of finding hope and joy in little things during hard times, like the Great Depression. This song encapsulated the feeling of receiving unexpected help or blessings, metaphorically represented by pennies from the sky. In English, this phrase is often used to express gratitude for small blessings or to offer comfort to someone going through a tough period. For example, if a friend finds a small amount of money when they are in financial difficulty, you might say, "Well, that's just pennies from heaven." It's a way to acknowledge the little bits of luck or happiness that come our way, encouraging a positive outlook even in challenging situations. While pennies from heaven is an English expression, many cultures have similar sayings that reflect the appreciation of small fortunes or blessings. These phrases underline a universal human experience, the capacity to find hope and positivity amidst adversity. Discussing these variations can be a wonderful way to connect with the universal aspects of human emotion and resilience. Pennies from heaven is more than just an old saying, it's a reminder of the unexpected joys and blessings that life can bring, often when we need them most. It encourages us to look for and appreciate these small moments of happiness, fostering an attitude of gratitude and optimism. We hope this video has enlightened you on the beauty and depth of this phrase, and may you find your own pennies from heaven in everyday life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.